Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone. So here's everything that comes in the box. We've got the adapter. This is the lightning adapter. This is going to be the receiver for the wireless lavalier mic. And here's USB-C receiver, so we get both. Here's the case. Let's open it up. There is a piece of plastic here. We want to make sure and remove that plastic. And this is the charging case. So let's take out these lavalier mics. There's even plastic down here that's covering the charging points. That's going to be very, very important to take that off. That's how they're going to charge. Wow. And down here, let's take all this plastic off so we can get these all nice and charged up. This is for a camera receiver. And it's got like a little clip, little cold shoe clip. And then these go down like this. The microphone part sticks up and that circle goes towards there. Now we can close the case. There's our battery status. We're going to charge it with the USB-C. Now down inside the box there is this bag. Let's take all the cables out and see what we get. Now the bag has two sides. There's a divider down the middle. It's a very nice bag. And again, there's a bunch of stickers. All right, let's open up the first bag. Looks like we got some wind. One wind. So you're gonna put that when you want to reduce the wind noise. Looks like we got another two of those. All right, what's in this bag? Okay, we got two clips, magnetic clips for the lavalier mics. Audio cable. And what's in here? Okay, looks like one lanyard. No, two. Whoops. Magnetic lanyards. So if you want to, this is like a necklace you put around your neck and you can attach the microphone to it. That's pretty cool. It's like a button there. There's the actual mic. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And we do get status lights showing us that the actual devices are charging. Let's go over sizes. So this case, inch or 3 3/8, 2 inches by 1.5 inches. Yeah. Oh, and we get a USB-C cable. Good. So we can get the case charged up. So let's plug this into a USB outlet. And then let's charge the case. Okay, so let's take a look at both adapters. This is the receivers, the Lightning and USB-C. They both have a USB-C port on one side. The other side, nothing. Let's measure these. These are really small. Both of them are 1.5 inches. Oh, maybe quarter, maybe just a little over 1/4 inch. And about 1 inch or no, 5/8 that way. Oh, there is a button on the bottom. And there are two status lights. There's a transmitter 1 status light and a transmitter 2 status light. Noise canceling and pairing button is on the bottom. Okay, now let's go over to the actual microphones. They have a button. That's the power and the noise canceling and pairing button. There's a status light and the magnetic clip is on the back. Oh, that comes off. That's awesome. Put that on the inside of your shirt, this on the outside. This thing is so small. 1 inch. And it's maybe 3/8, maybe just a little over 1/4 inch. That thing, wow, so small. And here's for the camera. Status lights, volume knob, USB-C port, power button, mode, switching, pairing button. So you got 2 buttons. 3.5 millimeter audio output jack. So a lot going on with this. That's a volume. It's got little clicks too. Power button, USB-C, audio out, cold shoe, and a clip. This thing, 1.5 inches, maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. Left to right, it's about 1 inch. Very small. Clip seems very sturdy. Okay, so pressing the noise canceling button on the transmitter to turn the function on or off. When noise cancellation is on, the status indicator on the transmitter turns green. Press the noise canceling button on the bottom to turn the function off. When noise canceling is on, the status on it is turned. So basically, if that green light goes out, noise canceling is off. While shooting with your phone, double pressing the button on the transmitter to start or stop video recording. So you can double tap that to start and stop video recording. That's kind of cool. Now the lights on the case, there's 4 of them. They have, here's what they mean. 1 on 25, 2 on 50, 75, 50. A low battery level and cannot charge the receiver and transmitter. That's when 1 LED is on, steady red. 1 LED flashing when connected, charging. 4 LEDs sequenced on, charging case updated. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.